Let us discuss the next set of problems that you have today. Find the number of ways of selecting. Find the number of ways of selecting three girls and three boys out of 7 girls and 6 boys. The number of ways of selecting 3 girls from 6 boys is equal to 6C3 ways. 3 girls from 7 girls is 7C3 ways. We have to select girls from girls. So number of ways of selecting 3 girls from 7 girls is 7C3 ways. Next, the number of ways of selecting 3 boys from 6 boys is equal to 6C3 ways. Total number of ways of selecting is equal to 7C3 into 6C3. So that is nothing but 7C3 value is 35, 6C3 value is 20. So total 700 ways you can select. This is about the problem. Girls have to be selected from girls, boys have to be selected from boys. How many girls you are selecting? 3 girls. From how many girls? From 7 girls. So you get 7C3 ways. Next you are selecting 3 boys from 6 boys. That you can do it in 6C3 ways. Total number of ways is 7C3 into 6C3, that is 35 into 20, which is 700 ways. Now how to calculate this 7C3? 7C3 can be calculated by 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. So 7 into 5 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 4 factorial cancel. 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6 and this gets cancelled. So you have 7 as 7 into 5 as 35. Similarly, you can calculate 6C3, you get 20. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the number of ways of selecting. Find the number of ways of selecting a committee of 6 members. 6 members from 10 members. Always including a specified member. Solution: if one member is always included, always included we can select remaining 9 members, remaining 5 members out of 9 members in 9C5 ways. 9C5 is equal to 126. So this is how we select. If you remove one person from 10 members, you will have only 9 members. If you remove one person from 6 members, you will have only 5 members. So total number of selections are 9C5 ways. 9C5 value is 126. Let us discuss the next problem. Similar to this, find the number of ways of selecting. Third one, find the number of ways of selecting 5 books from 9 different books such that a particular book is not included. Solution: if a particular book is not included, number of books is equal to 8. Number of ways of selecting 5 books from 8 different books. Books is equal to 8C5. 8C5 base. Is that clear? 8C5 value is 56. So that's about today's problems. Shall discuss the next problem next. Next set of problems that we have are: find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the word equation. Solution: the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels from 5 vowels is equal to 5C3 ways. The number of ways of selecting 2 consonants from 3 consonants equal to 3C2 ways. Total number of selections is equal to 5C3 into 3C2 ways. 5C3 into TC3, 10 into 3 is equal to 30 ways. 5C3 value is 10, 3C2 value is 3. One way of getting the values of NCRR, this is NC0, 1, 2, 1, 2C0, 2C1, 2C2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. This is called Pascal's triangle. This is 0C0, 1C0, 1C1, 2C0, 2C1, 2C2, like that. These are the values. Okay, this triangle is called Pascal's triangle. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the number of diagonals of a polygon with 12 sides. The number of diagonals of polygon with n sides is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2 if n is equal to 12. Diagonals 12 into 12 minus 3 by 2, 12 into 9 by 2, that is equal to 54 diagonals. If the sides are 12, you can draw 54 diagonals. Yes. If n persons are sitting in a row, find the number of ways of selecting two persons who are sitting adjacent to each other. The number of ways of selecting two persons from n persons sitting in a row is n minus 1 ways. Because the position of one person will be always fixed, you can select them in n minus 1 ways. Okay, the question for this is, if n persons are sitting in a row, find the number of ways of selecting two persons who are sitting adjacent to each other. That can be done in n minus 1 ways, because you can fix the position of a person sitting in a row. Next set of problems, we will do it in the next session. Let us discuss the next set of problems today. Find the number of ways of selecting a cricket team of 11 players from 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers, such that there will at least be 5 bowlers in the team. So how many batsmen are there? 7. How many bowlers are there? 6. Here he says that you have to at least take minimum 5 bowlers and form a 11-member team. So in case if you are taking 5 bowlers, then you have to take 6 batsmen. In case if you are taking 6 bowlers, you have to take 5 batsmen from 7. So selections in the type 1 are 7C6 into 6C5, that is 7 into 6, which is equal to 42. Selections in the second type are 7C5 into 6C6, that is 21 into 1, which is 21. Total number of selections are 42 plus 21, that is equal to 63. Here you have similar type of problem. You have to form a committee of 5 members from 6 Indians and 5 Americans, so that Indians are majority. So first we will take 5 as the 5 Indians and 0 Americans, because 5 is the maximum number of members that we have to take. Excuse me. Next we'll take 4 Indians, then there will be only 1 American. Next we'll take 3 Indians, then there will be 2 Americans possible. So these are the possible ways of selecting. Number of selections of type 1 are 6C5 into 5C0, which is 6. Number of selections of type 2, 6C4 into 5C1, that is 15 into 5, which is 75. Number of selections of type 3, this is type 3, are 6C3 into 5C2, that is 20 into 10, which is 200. So total number of selections are 6 plus 75 plus 200, which is equal to 281. These are the various selections that you have. In these kind of problems, there is a condition given to you. If you check the first problem, he said that the number of bowlers are fixed. So you have to make changes in the batsmen. If you take 5, you have to take 6 here. If you take 6 here, you have to take 5, because the team should consist of 11 members. Here also, he said 5-member committee, majority should be Indians. Indians are 6, Americans are 5. So 5 Indians if you take, you have to take no Americans, that is 0 Americans. If you are going for taking 4 Indians, you have to take only 1 American. If you are going for taking 3 Indians, you have to take 2 Americans. Now total number of selections are what we are selecting from 6 Indians. So this is 65 into 5C0. Next 64 into 5C1. 6C3 into 5C2. This is how you get. Then you have to add all to get the number of selections. So that's about today's class, students. We shall continue in the next session.